Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2023 270 SDX. What a great all-around boat this is. It does everything so well. You can take it out into the Gulf down here in Naples. You can drive it up onto the beach, which we do it all the time. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 SDX. Start at the back of the boat. Best part on the boat, it's the Mercury. 300 horsepower. These new motors are just incredible. They're very quiet, very little vibration, very powerful. Made in America, can't beat it. In the back, 4 adults, extremely comfortable. You can have your straight out lounging for laying down, or you can keep sitting up, because when you put this down like it is now, you have beautiful visibility right here for 4 adults. Storage wise, on this 27-foot boat, you can't beat it. This storage is absolutely gigantic. You can keep, any water toys in here. You can keep anything you can imagine. You got enough room for an army in here, so that's a great feature here. And then this one, we make this boat with an IO with an engine inside. And so when we make it with an outboard, there's no engine, so it's all storage. This is incredible storage for chairs and beach toys and fenders and lines and you name it. You can fit everything you want very easily in here. As we move forward, we got a cooler underneath here. You can ice it down for people sitting out in the back. Step for boarding, so if you're and the boat's down low, instead of getting on from the back platform, you can step here with non-skid, step on the step, down, and safely onto the boat. So very nice as well. You got a little sink back here for washing your hands and rinsing glasses out, drink holders. Back here, very comfortable L-shaped seating, very large as well. So put about half a dozen adults in here. You've got a charger system if you need it. Got a table that goes in here for hors d'oeuvres and your drinks. Drink holders all underneath as well. And then the seat, this is a lounger. It'll lounge this way very comfortably. And then it'll go back here when it turns into a seat. So seat, very comfortable seat. You can put 2 adults on this seat as well. And the head, really good size. It has a window in it. And so you can get some fresh air. It has a pull-out sprayer, so you can rinse yourself off if you've been at the beach all day and you want to rinse the salt and suntan lotion off, put clothes on to go to a restaurant. At the end of the day, you can comfortably get yourself all cleaned up. Plenty of room to do it with the vacuum flush head. In here, so you can have the 2 lounging. So if you're just hanging out, lounging facing this way, very comfortable. A lot of times these seats aren't any good when you're just hanging out, so this makes them very usable when you're just hanging. You've got a large Simrad on here. I got a screen. I can split this screen. I can put a fish finder on there that shows the depth very, very clearly. Very clean board. You got trim tabs on it as well. So nice, neat, clean Fusion stereo. It's a great dash drink holder as well. And I move to the storage. Again, this has 2 tables on it. One is standard and the other one is an option. So this particular one has the table option, so I've got 1 table for the back and 1 table for the front. So if you're entertaining, and you can entertain a dozen adults on this boat very comfortably. Bimini top, with it's very large as far as these go, but there's no canvas rattle when you get the wind. You get 30-35 miles an hour. You can get canvas rattle. It does not do this at all. Very quiet. It also will come down. And if you run into rain or something like that, you can actually lower this down, and then you can actually drive the boat with this down in front of you, keeping you dry, which is newer for this type of a setup right here. But it's a great feature, especially if you run into a rainstorm. 2 loungers up here, very comfortable. Armrests on them, rails all the way around, speakers. You've got the windlass system right here. It's recessed, which is a great system as well. The boat does everything exceptionally well. Again, it's one of our best sellers. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.